Garrett Desruisseaux from Aware360. Just going to give you a quick intro on the new broadcast messaging feature, which is part of the Control Center version 2.1 release. And the first thing you need to do when you would like to leverage this new capability is just log into Control Center like you can see on my screen here. And ensure when you log in that you have the correct permissions. So you need to be a client administrator in order to leverage the capability. You're just going to expand the menu on the left-hand side and you'll see a new option available called Broadcast Messaging. Once you select that, you'll be taken into a screen with a couple drop-downs and then a menu, some menu options on the right-hand side. So the first one that you'll see is a client drop-down. Now this client drop-down will only be available to individuals who have permissions to multiple clients. So if you're a monitoring partner and you've been given this permission set on behalf of multiple clients, you will have the option as a first filter to select a client of your choice. So I'm just going to select Aware360. And then what you'll see in the grid down here on the left-hand side is a list of individual assets who are added into your system. And so the first thing you need to do is just select what individuals you would like to send this broadcast message to. So you can simply click on the little radio boxes beside a specific individual, or if you'd like to send a message to all individuals within your organization, up on the top left-hand corner here, you can just select this radio box and it will automatically select all individuals. Once you have your individuals selected, on the right-hand side, you have two options. Whether or not you'd like to send an app notification message. So this is a notification that will be received to the individuals selected through their Aware360 smartphone application. And the app must be running in order for them to receive this message. The other option that you have as well is to send a text message alert. You can choose one or the other or both at the same time if you want to send. So in this case, I'm going to select app message and text message. And then the box down here in the bottom, it's limited to 155 total characters, so you can only send one complete text message to an individual. But you just type in your context, such as a flooding warning in Southeast Calgary. Please drive with caution. You simply select the send button. And then all individuals who have you selected on the list on the left-hand side will automatically receive that notification. A couple things that are important with the broadcast messaging capability. When individuals receive the text message, it will be identified that it is a broadcast message. Okay? The reasoning behind that is to ensure that individuals understand that they do not have the capability of replying back directly to the individual who sent the message.